In our last video, we were discussing about the beauty of calculus, and we also discussed about locally linear functions, that is differentiable functions. Okay, and we know what is f dash x. It is limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus fx by h nane. Okay, replace h by delta x tends to 0 x plus delta x minus fx by it is delta x. Okay, and what f dash x is very close to, that is f of x plus delta x minus fx by what? Delta x. So what I got, fx plus delta x is approximately equal to fx plus f dash x delta x. This gives me the idea how to approximate a function using the linear function, locally linear function fx. Okay, therefore we call this as linear approximation. हम उसको linear approximation बोलते हैं of non-linear functions. Okay, fx is a non-linear function, but we used the idea of linear approximation. Why linear approximation? Because we use derivative. That is a locally linear function. Okay, now let us use this idea to solve a question. Say, find root of 36.6. Approximate value, not exact value, approximately equal to. Okay, chalo. Now let me take x plus delta x is 36.6. Okay, getting the idea? And root of this, it is given, I will find square root of this, and let fx is square root of x, and choose x which is very close to 36.6 but whose square root you can find. So what is the best value of x? X I take 36, its square I can get. Obviously delta x is 0.6. Now we know fx plus delta x means root 36.6 is fx plus f dash x delta. I need f dash x. What is f dash x? It is 1 by 2 root x. Getting the idea? Now we know the formula fx plus delta x is approximately equal to fx plus f dash x delta x. Okay, so I write root of x plus delta x is approximately equal to root of x plus 1 by 2 root x delta x. Am I right? That implies root of 36.6 is nothing but root of 6 plus 1 by 2 root 6 into 0.6. Very simple. So it is root of 36. Okay, it is root of 36. It is 6 plus 1 by 2 into 6 into 6 by 10. So it is 1 by 20. So it is 6 plus what? 0.05. Okay, so this is 6.05. This is the approximate value of root of 36.6. Okay, getting the idea? चलो और एक क्वेश्चन लेते हैं. We are taking another question. Find the approximate value of f of 3.02 where fx is 3x square plus 5x plus 3. Okay. Now fx is this. I choose let x is 3 and delta x is what? 0.2. So that x plus delta x is 3.02. Remember, जिसका वैल्यू निकालना है ना, that is x plus delta x. Okay. Now obviously I get what is f dash x? 6x plus 5. Am I right? What is my formula? Fx plus delta x is equal to fx plus f dash x delta x. Okay. That is f of 3.02 is equal to approximately equal to f of 3 plus f dash 3 into 0.2. What is it? What is f of 3? What is f of 3? Find करो f of 3 क्या है? Okay. What is it? 27 plus 15 plus 3 18. 27 plus 18. What is it? 45. Plus what is f dash 3? 18 plus 5. What is it? 18 plus 5 क्या है? 23 into 0.2. What is it? 45 plus 0.46. That is 45.46. Very simple. Okay. Now you can use the differentiation to approximate functions. चलो हम आगे चलते हैं. Now coming to the basics. When we find dy by dx for a function y equal to fx, the definition was limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x or not. We have read in class 11 this notation, Leibniz notation. Okay, Leibniz notation है. Okay, here I shall use or I shall think this dy by dx is nothing but the ratio of dy and dx. This dy and dx are known as differentials. Differential of y, and this is differential of x. Okay. And how I find delta y from delta x? Achha, what is delta x? Delta x is the measurement error in x. Why measurement error? Because x is the independent in y equal to fx. X is the independent variable. X is to be measured. And if I do error in measurement delta x, means when I measure x, I find it x plus delta x. Then what is the error? X plus delta x minus x. Error in x. जैसे टाइम जब मेजर करते हैं t plus delta t minus t. Say x plus delta x minus x. This is measurement error. Delta x is measurement error in x. Because why we call measurement error? Because x is the independent variable. But the error in y delta y, that error comes in y only because we erroneously we measured x. Okay, y is a function of x. It is a formula. So in a formula, the error or in some application, the error comes only when there is error initially. So initial error is measurement error, and error in y, that measurement error is propagated to y. Therefore we call What is this? Propagated error. Okay? Propagated, do you understand? It is transferred error. Okay? Error has been transferred to y due to error in x in fx. So this delta y is propagated. Propagated error किसका होता है? Dependent variable का. Okay? How I find this propagated error? It is nothing but fx plus delta x measured value minus actual value fx. Okay? Getting the idea? So this is propagated error in y. Now question arises. What is the how I find the differential? Differential in x. X is independent variable. So differential in x is dx. It is same as what? The measured error. Measurement error delta x. Getting the idea? And remember, differential of y, this is differential of x, okay, and differential of y, it is dy. How I shall find this dy? It is nothing but dy by dx into delta x. Or dx you write, no problem. Can I write dy as dy by dx into dx? Here I am treating dy by dx as a ratio. Okay. Now, this is the beauty of Leibniz notation. This is nothing but dy by dx into delta x, because dx is same as delta x, measured error, measurement error. So this is f dash x delta x. Getting the idea? So how I get differential in y or differential of y dy? It is f dash x delta x, or I write dy by dx into delta x. Remember. Okay? If it is so, then what is fx plus delta x? Yes, minus fx. यही है डेल्टा y. Okay? और dy. Understood? That is what? F dash x delta x. Getting the idea? Now, what is fx plus delta x? Nothing but fx plus f dash x delta x. Acha. We came to the same formula from this treatment. Understood? The difference between the measured error and propagated error. Chalo. Let us go ahead. Now, here delta x is error in x, that is measured error. Delta x by x, what? Relative error in x. Why called relative? When x is measured, delta x is the error. Okay. So for x things, error is delta x. For one thing, what is the error? Delta x by x. Therefore, we call it is relative error. Okay. Then delta x by x into 100 is known as percentage error. किसका percentage error? In measurement of x, in x. So, how I find error in y? Delta y. How I find delta y? It is approximately equal to dy, not equal to dy. And this is what? It is nothing but dy by dx into delta x. Why it is approximately equal to dy? Because dy by dx is approximately equal to delta y by delta x. It is not exactly equal to delta y by delta x. that is why it is approximately equal to, because when I take limit of the right side I get left side. This is the basic. Okay, chalo. Now how I get error in propagated error, that is derivative into delta x or f dash x delta x. This is error in y. And what is relative error in y? Delta y by y. What is percent error in y? Delta y by y into 100. Very simple. Okay. Are you understanding? Chalo. In our next video, we shall discuss some examples based on these errors, differentials, and approximations.